Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. Be sure to subscribe. Welcome to 2025. I think this is the first official video of 2025. Now this 2025, my videos will be very short and direct to the point. I have so many things that I'm doing at the moment, so I will not really have a time to sit and shoot a proper video. But in this video I want to talk to you guys about palm oil business and vegetable oil. If you have noticed it, you realize that palm oil has a season, and in that season of palm oil, what you can do is, if you have money, you can buy palm oil when it is in season in much quantity. You can store it in big drums, in can, in containers, and keep it in a very good space. You can go into villages, the hinterlands, to mills, and you get palm oil from there. You come and store this palm oil. Now, there are seasons where this palm oil gets so scarce, so expensive, especially November, December. Palm oil gets really expensive and scarce. Vegetable oil from January to September, it is always cheaper. Let's talk about groundnut oil, olive oil, any cooking oil gets really expensive. You can always buy it within this period and you stock it up. In Cameroon, let's say from January ending up to September, you can buy 5 liters of cooking oil for about 6,000 francs or 6,500 francs. But in December, you will get that same oil for 8,000 francs, 8,500 and 9,000 francs. So you can just buy this two set of oil, the palm oil and the vegetable oil or olive oil or groundnut oil, and you store it. During this festive period, you get your money back with so much interest. So if you are somebody who have money and you are so scared of maybe putting that money in a bank where you will not be having any gain, any interest, you can do this business idea now. You can start it now. We are in the beginning of the year, so a lot of palm oil will be coming out this period because there's no rain. So a lot of palm oil will be coming out. You can get oil, go get contacts of people, buy oil in jars and store it. When it is festive period or when it is out of season, you start reselling the oil back and you make a lot of money. Currently, I used to get 20 liters for about 11,000 francs. But in December, this December, I got it for 20,000 francs. That's a gain of about 9,000 francs. But let's say 8,000, maybe including your transportation and small expensive. So if you're looking to start a business, I think this is a quick business idea you can just do. Now, it's the beginning of the year. Some people just have some money with them. Maybe you make money during December, during any festive period, or you have an occasion and somebody blessed you with money and you're wondering what to do with that money. Get oil, store the oil and sell it when it is out of season, and you thank me later. So thank you so much for watching this video. That's just all I have to share with you. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment section and I'll do a quick video to reply.